nakitlong kari kasi ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit parpasngam ka beats aqua si postnem dang yai pinja sliang.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt shakmat batterian, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak 1.2 lak. Just wow.
Ka East Khasi Hills Police hagasngi baar. Kelapan ko buram ki pula traffic, bat ki home guard ki belapan ya jing shakari ke bashid rem hakakam ha police reserve jail road. Habakren hagani ke jingalang, Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills, uba Vivex ulai jingero ki pula traffic, ki baju trebon kenta hagasngi, pad hakal uslap. Klem dasalia ya jingma ke balaban wan hakaporba ki dang penbet, ya let kawan ki kali, bat jingerap ki pain ba. Ula kedauru baki pula traffic ki don ke benda ke bakongsan ban pensuk, ya jingnya ki kali ki nong bang gentup, ya ki ambulance. USP ulapan pau baki pula traffic, ki long ke khamat ke pau ba, jong ke Meghalai police. Bat ulakan tu ki pulit baki next kem, hakaban pentrekam ki kendon bat ki an jong ke let kawan. USP ula ajing ro yuba samborlang dengdo bat uba Anthony Nongklau, halor ke jingerap, bat ke jingno senyang jongki ke bande bat ke tenat pulit. Hakabakot USP ula kentu ki paat ba bakinya trelang bat ki pulit kenang ban lapan penjam ki jing ki bayadai bat ke jing kenat kali ki jing jacks den bat ki we ki mat ki bayadai bat ke lit kawan ha ki surok.
Next, Rahul Gill, UBC. UBC 1843, Jaleshwar. Next is HC Nansing Ahmad. HC Wilson Ahmad.
At the outset, I would like to first thank SD Traffic actually for initiating this whole thing. we all, actually I must apologize to all the traffic officers and personnel. Sometimes in our routine duties, like everybody else, we take the traffic for granted. And we expect traffic to be there in the morning, we expect traffic personnel to be there in the day, we expect traffic personnel to be in the evening. And I'm telling you, the most talked about topic today is traffic. Everybody who gets stuck in a traffic snarl is talking about traffic. Everybody is coming up with ideas, everybody is either complaining, but the main topic everywhere, because a person has to get from point A to point B. So the first topic when you go anywhere where there's any birthday celebration or somebody has died, the first topic they will talk is about traffic. But the sad thing is everybody takes traffic personnel for granted, me included. And I would like to thank SP Traffic for initiating this. Initiating this felicitation for our heroes who actually brave the sun, the rain, the heat, the heat from the public, the heat from the drivers, the risk you put yourselves when you actually instill discipline in drivers, in regulating traffic, in making sure that vehicles move, in making sure that we communicate to the other points that yes, we have an ambulance going, we need to clear this, we have somebody who needs to get an emergency. You are multitasking, you are thinking, you are stopping, you are moving your vehicles, you are holding a set, you are communicating. And you are braving many hazards of smoke, dust, rain. It is no joke to stand there for 8 hours. There was one boy which we had sent some years back, we had sent for social work because he had run over one of our police drivers' feet. And his mother had, because he's a very adamant boy, she had agreed to actually send him for traffic duty as social work. And only 2 days he could manage. He said, after that he said, no, I don't want to do traffic work anymore. It is really, really hard. And now I understand what a traffic officer or traffic constable has to deal with on the road. Some adamant drivers, some people who would abuse you, who would rebuke, some people who would drop names, some people who would say, I am so and so, these rules don't apply to me. The challenges are many for you. So many challenges. But yet you brave it. You brave all these challenges with a cool mind. People used to ask me, these traffic people, I wonder how they do it, what is the mantra behind a traffic personnel? They have to face so many conditions of natural conditions. Then the pollution, then the people they have to deal with. How do they deal with that when they go home? How do they deal with these stress levels? The mantra is your composure. You are firm but polite. And I'm telling you, you are the face of the Midnight Police. You are the face of East Khasi Police. People know you first. Before coming to the Thana, they interact with the people on the road first. I know of a little child in Sinanwans, I remember, who's 5 years old, and that child is so impressed with the traffic personnel who deal out there. Like Nija, he's always there at once. And he has told his mother that he wants to be a traffic officer, to look after traffic. Why? Because you all have become role models. You facilitate children, women, parents to cross the road. You stop vehicles. He finds you are a hero. And yes, you are a hero to many. That's why we've called you to appreciate all of you all and to congratulate you all for all the good work done. Keep it up. We are behind you. We will stand firm by you in all the work you do to ensure that our roads are safe. That we ensure that vehicles move, that people get from point A to point B. If you are not there, you can imagine the kind of chaos which will be there. So your role is very, very critical. Please keep your good health. Please keep your mental health intact. And please remember to be polite. The public will always appreciate you for politeness, but at the same time, be firm when you enforce traffic rules. My special appreciation to our friends here also, Basam and Ba Tuni, which I think we call Ba Tuni. And both of them actually have also been very proactive in helping the police. They are our good Samaritans who have come out and really taken that extra step forward to ensure that there is road discipline, that people don't drive rashly, people don't come with their bikes and make a lot of noise, people don't block the road. And they have come out, and it has made a big difference when responsible citizens like them come out and help the police. They and their friends and the locality members they bring in has made a lot of difference in our nakas. And I am grateful to you all, both of you all.
Bon sen kibru jukli bhagianga tangi khmat phom chna yi yo phayo dai
mai ni ko thlai thoi ni wai thlau lin dei liban
hey kana hey
Testament kami ni ke tak phong hai dùng. Ora, kau tak buat sana gitu. Te je siap hai dùng je.
Còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên su gà gram mò tao đã bốn gà gram tem etiar đi phi.
man gasni he ching im yonga dabdu I ching ele he ni ching dong
Mem kiki kema pada ibu nari dia juga bisa pang lah sini ada dia tiga. Teman em jahat.
Em sẽ là năm sang kêu
kata la nga mem do ching
Sarkar dewan raga ko kurki ke skill mekalia. Tapi ni perdi yang pi ke kuat ulai ni training ko boleh benai ni mata wo chna wo thai suruh.
ngà có ai âm mà lại đang được này tết
blai kan ran yo yang kalat kulte
Tak pengal cepo.
ngà nong đang chat nằm mặt bòi dùng chat gom tum là vậy hả bài phi này
Ini.
phi ai tu ha
hayuan telap oki im se ni wak thang hakmat ka be upa
Ni ko iya maka kini kan.
pelang nong pa tu AP yang
Aku ni kot kau lah training pa. Itu sahab.
Tahu hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai ko nongkong daga sampel desain ko ar. Dah hikai daga desain mana je dia kan juga sampel desain. Tu ini dah gam tu nak lihat itu. Tu.
hakmat ka per thai pen yo adu ikimen nir khai
Ini cek ko rap Sarkar mah.
kam pada tharang ma ladu mesin dia sket au kam ka
Ini saya tiyung right now kan. Dah soi nak.
makam dah sebelum kakak atau
Suruh kong na taru miat baik. Pi ni chna bha ma yo ra asasandar jan hara.
yang ngalak padat dan spi tak sesi mana tak mana